Okay, picking up back here. Sorry I got interrupted. So where I left off was after I multiply 42 by 2, I multiply by 2 on this side, it cancels out. I get 84, because that's 42 times 2 equals h times 12. Now if you're looking above my cursor here, it's just an equation. Since it's h times 12, I divide by 12. If I do it to that side, I do it to the other side. So my answer is just going to be whatever 84 divided by 12 is. So I get 7 equals the height, or h. So my answer is 7 inches. Okay, so make sure you work those carefully and fix them if you had them wrong. Okay, for number 10, finding the height of the trapezoid. Okay, this is the only kind of problem where you're using that special height formula for a trapezoid, and you're just inserting your numbers. So it's 2a, means 2 times area. So I do 2 times the area, 441. Then I divide by base 1 plus base 2. Looking at the picture, 20 and 29 are my bases, so I'm going to add those up. I multiply up on top, I get 82. I add on the bottom, I get 49. And that means to divide, I get 18 millimeters. Okay? On 11, it's asking you, it says the blueprints for a new garden are shown. Each grid square on the blueprint has a length of 2 feet. What is the total distance in feet around the garden? So if you look at my work here, you might want to try this. I want you to put a little tick mark. If you got it wrong, tick mark on every little edge around the outside. That's your perimeter. You count your perimeter, you get 24 hopefully. And it says every square represents a length of 2 feet. So I have to double it, or times by 2, get my answer of 48 feet. And since it's just a perimeter, it's just feet, not feet squared. Okay, at the last page here, you had to graph the figures. Most people did really well on that. And then find the area. So I graphed that. Okay, and you look at my work here, this first shape is just a square. It's got 4 squares in it, 2 by 2. There's my work. The next one's a triangle. If I look at that, it's a 2 by 2 triangle. I use my formula. Well, it has 2 squares in that triangle. So I added them up. The answer for the area is 6 squares, or 6 square units. On this one, it's just a triangle. It's a 5 by 4 triangle. So I do 5 times 4 divided by 2. My area is 10 units squared. Okay, and then you can check your multiple choice there. Alright, so hopefully you can make all your corrections here and be ready to go for your final exam on Friday. Alright, good luck.